G'day YouTube, let's have a look at what's inside this temperature and humidity sensor. So it's a wireless unit. There's 3 of these units that measure temperature and humidity locally and then transmit it out to a base station. Let's stick straight into it, powered by 2 AAA batteries. There we go, that's just a Felix. There we go, so the case just opens up in half and we've got some stuff inside. So the batteries just have 2 leads, so positive, negative, running into the actual PCB, which does all of the magic within this unit. So we've got a switch here, it should be 3 positions. Yep, 3 position switch, that'll determine which unit this is. So there's 1, 2 and 3, just for arranging it on the screen. There's a little button on the side, just a push button, that'll change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Underneath sort of here is going to be just the actual IC, the actual integrated circuit that sort of does all of the magic, the brain power of the box. Got a little crystal oscillator here, which will just determine the frequency that this transmits at. So it's actually a little crystal inside that the IC sends a voltage to. It'll vibrate at a certain frequency, and then that frequency gets sent back, amplified, and is used for transmission. So the transmission will happen via this antenna, just a little coil of copper wire, and a current will be passed one way. As it spins around, it'll radiate and sort of radiate that signal out. And you can see it's only terminated on one side, not on 2 sides. If it was terminated on the other side to ground, it would be closed loop and it wouldn't actually radiate that out. This black little thing here, that's the actual temperature sensor. So it's a thermistor, which just means it changes its resistance based on the temperature. So the current will be sent through to one side, and then this will change the resistance more or less. Resistance which the IC will then measure and convert to a pre-calibrated temperature. So likewise on this side here, we've got the humidity sensor, which has 2 contacts, 1 on each side. And it just changes the resistance based on the humidity, so based on the moisture in the air through it. And the IC measures it and then again converts it to a humidity value and transmits it out through this coil. So there's actually 4 more screws. Let's undo them and see what's underneath. Okay, so on the other side, nothing terribly special. We've just got an LED here, which just flashes to indicate a measurement's been taken and transmitted. A little silhouette here of the screen, which is mounted beneath. We'll have a look at that in a sec. And then just contacts up here to actually light that screen up. So the way these contacts work is this little, that comes out all right, there you go, this little, just a bit of rubber, and then it's got a lot of fine little contacts inside. So that just sits on top of the contacts there. And we've got the screen here, and just transmits that current and voltage onto these little contacts there, which light up the screen, which is just sandwiched between 2 pieces of glass. So that's it, pretty simple one. Now you've seen the inside of a temperature and humidity sensor.